Welcome! Today we're going to discuss installing DDS on multiple iPads. As with all of our instructions, we recommend using two devices, one to follow these instructions and the other your iPad so you can try things out in real time. Okay, let's get started. You can install DDS on as many iPads as you'd like, as long as they're all signed in with the same Apple ID used for the original purchase. Just open the App Store on any additional iPad and search for DDS If you are already a subscriber, you should see an icon of a cloud with an arrow pointing downward next to the DDS icon. Simply tap that arrow to begin to download onto your additional iPad. If you do not see that cloud icon, it likely means you're not signed in with the correct Apple ID. If you continue with a different Apple ID, it will be treated as a separate subscription, so be careful. As always, we encourage you to incorporate DDS into all of your treatment plans, no matter how big or small. If you have any questions or comments, please visit our website at www.ddsgp.com.